And today, Tech Tip Tuesday, I would like to talk about the parts of the boom and the hopper that has to be greased by hand, that is not connected to the automatic greasing system. You're going to find this sticker, this decal. And basically what you have to read over here is every 24 hours, once every 24 hours, you have to pump 5 times in every single one of the grease fittings. In this case it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Depending on your boom, you will have a block in each side or just one single block feeding the system. It works with the rack and pinion, and it works with the reduction pinion and the gear table in there. When we talk about 24 hours, what we're talking about is 24 hours of actual pumping. So in average, you are going to grease it once or twice a week. It's not like every day you have to do it, but if you pump for 24 hours in 2 or 3 days, grease it. If you work 2 or 3 more days and work 24 hours of pumping, grease it again. This is for the boom. Let's talk about the hopper, please. When we are going to talk about the part that has to be greased manually in the hopper, we're going to find this sticker. Again, we have several grease fittings over here, and what it does again is once every 24 hours of pumping, 1 or twice a week, you're going to pump 5 times in each one of the grease fittings, and that is going to supply grease to both ends of the shifting cylinders, both of them, and the outside part of the throw lever against the chrome sleeve, which is not easy to see, but it's on this side, and you follow this line. Again, in this one, every 24 hours of pumping, so once or twice a week. Thank you.